make their first turn, getting better now, takes the driver's seat by only a neck, moving up once again, on the outside is Go Go Thunder, is Speedy Kim, moving up to take third, Musashi is running by the road, moving up on the outside, to take the fourth spot is Dreamin' again, Wildcat May still in behind them, past the last 900, Go Go Thunder once again, in command by Hapwang, running by the rail, we are getting better, and on the outside joining them is Speedy Kim. Speedy Kim takes the lead from the outside, getting better, running by the road, drops back in third, Go Go Thunder, Dreamin' again, still in fourth, Musashi running second last, and Kat May is still bringing up the rear as they come up towards the last 400, getting better, Speedy Kim is on the outside, keep on firing out for the lead, Musashi now moving up to take third and using the rails, now almost catching the lead, Musashi takes the lead by the road, getting better, is on the outside, is Speedy Kim and Go Go Thunder, and now the stretch and leading the finish line, it's now Musashi, and finally Musashi getting better, Go Go Thunder, Speedy Kim.